Hello, I'm going to teach you how to do the coffee grinder. So the main thing you need is yourself and a lot of space. And there's a lot of room because I'm moving. I'm packing and there's a lot of boxes. So it's going to be hard to make space. Yes, I'm so good, so my parents are looking for a house. So first you want to start like this. And then lift your arms. Yeah, then jump over. So when you jump over, you want to lift your leg and jump down. And then you are going to try and do it faster. Hard. And so now go faster. Sorry, there's not enough space. It's tricky because there isn't enough space for me. So that's how you do coffee grinder. It is tricky out part, but you'll get the hang of it.